Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I meal prep my lunch. Currently, I'm in a work from home setup and I work Monday to Friday. So as much as possible, I prepare my meals ahead so I just can grab it and go. And as much as possible, I really want to keep my meals healthy. So meal prepping is really one way for me to keep track of my food intake. So as you can see here, I'm just preparing my veggies. So I chopped up some broccoli, carrots, and also garlic to go with the stir fry that I'm making. By the way guys, the meals that I'll be sharing with you are sort of weight loss meals. So I'm also trying to lose weight, but I don't really count the calories, but these are just my estimates. So I'm just pan frying my chicken breasts. So these are actually chicken breasts that I ordered from Breasties. So you can check them out on Instagram at BreastiesPH. So they prepare chicken breasts that are cooked sous vide style. Sorry, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it only takes you about 5 minutes to fry because it's already cooked with that method. So as you can see in the earlier part of the video, I just stir fried my veggies. I added Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right again, but yeah, it's just simple. And then right now you'll see here I'm slicing the chicken breast. This is their sexy adobo. So one order of their chicken breast is about 250 grams, I think. And then so I slice it into 3 servings since I'm really trying to cut my calorie intake. So here I'm just preparing my meals. So I added 1/2 cup of rice, 2 slices of chicken breast, and a lot of veggies. So this meal roughly is about 350 to 400 calories. So those are the meals that will last me for 3 lunches. So it's good for Monday and the Wednesday. Since I'm just at home, I don't really want to cook a week's worth of meals kasi they might not be fresh anymore by Friday. So I just cooked the second half in the middle of the week. So right now I'm preparing another Breasties flavor. So this is their Nacho Libre. I'm also just preparing my frozen veggies. So I just cooked it in butter and this will serve as my side dish. So similar to the first lunch idea, I'm just dividing everything into 3 servings. So this will last me until Saturday actually. So I'm just dividing 1 chicken breast into 3 servings. I just added 1/2 cup of rice and I added my side dish. So that's it lang guys. That's how I prepare my lunches. So I just prepare lunch kasi I still want to eat the food we have at home. But as much as possible, I really try to eat healthy. That's why I prepare some meals ahead. I hope you like the 2 recipes I showed you. Please let me know if this is something that you'd like to see in my future videos as well.